Hey guys, this is Scott Panella with Keller Williams Realty. Something that I've been working on the last few years with a business partner of mine is doing some flipping. Flipping of homes is when we buy the property at a lower value, improve the property, and then actually turn around and sell it for a profit. Many investors are doing that in today's world and today's markets around the country. But something that we work on here in Louisville, Kentucky is a good old single family home turning into a 3-bedroom, 2-bath as opposed to a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. So I'm going to take you through a little bit of a house that we're working on now in Middletown that we are going to be selling for about $220,000. It's on Marengo, and we'd love to show you around. So here's some pictures before and after, as well as a little walkthrough video. So if you are interested in taking a look at this house or knowing what it's like to flip, talk with us about investing in properties, we will guide you through that process. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Give me a call, 502-558-7177. Look at the number on my screen or shoot me an email. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks so much, y'all. Have a great day.